Today we're bringing on the Under Armour Curry 11s. Let's go. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Zach here with Tamsters Kicks. And they're here, man. We got the Steph Curry 11s in today, guys. If you don't know by now, Curry's have been one of my favorite basketball shoes. The line has just been so good to play in. Kobe's and Curry's, I live by them, but we got the Curry 11s in today. They could honestly be the best Curry's yet. They just keep going at it, and I mean, they just don't change anything. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. They keep in the box the same. They got the last like 8, 9, 10, 11. Like, they just pushing out this foam setup. But I love it. I'm breaking them down. If you guys haven't seen a video review, we're going through the traction, cushion support, materials fit, all that good stuff, guys. Steph Curry. If you don't know Steph Curry, come on, man. Best shooter in the history of the NBA. Craziest player. I love watching this man play. I'm so excited for the NBA season to see him ball out. But let's break these bad boys down. All right, so here they are, the Curry 11s, man. Low-key, like, design-wise, maybe it's just the colorway. I'm kind of disappointed by this one. I think they could do better. The setup's the same, though. We got all the stuff. We'll break it down. They did a little bit different from the last Currys. They're just tweaking minor things here and there because, I mean, like I said, if it's not broke, why are you trying to fix it? But $160, not bad. The Curry prices have been the same, and for this setup, I paid $300. I don't even care, so let's break them down. Traction pattern goes hand in hand with the cushioning system and the UA foam. So yeah, this UA foam, if you guys haven't had the chance to try this bad boy out, you need to get a Steph Curry shoe and you need to put that on because the foam setup is so phenomenal. Traction, like, you have to get used to it because you are just like tripping over how much bite and grip you're getting on the court. You get adjusted really quick, but I just love how you play in it. There's good support left to right movements. There's great like overall like uniform like playing with the shoe. The only thing that's not good about it is the durability because it is an all foam setup. No like rubber, herringbone, none of that stuff. It breaks down and it drags, it gets cut up. Like, it's not like instant, but like over time it'll definitely get torn up. So probably wouldn't play in these outdoors and probably would rotate them. That's what I do with my 9s and 10s. I just rotate them out, wear them every now and then, and I love the setup. If I got games, I play in the Curry, so stuff like that. But just keep good like care of them. They'll be good for you. The cushion is a new dual density UA foam setup. So this is a little bit of the change they did here. They kind of just tweaked that foam with what they're calling a dual density setup. You can kind of see it just seems like it's a little bit thicker, and then you have this kind of turquoise cushion pattern as well. Teal, I don't know the colors, but that kind of dual density setup is supposed to just add a little bit more comfort, a little more support and protection down there, and especially with explosiveness as well. So to me, like, it felt even more comfortable somehow than the past Curry. So I feel like I can feel that dual density playing in them, but they just feel so nice on foot. And again, Curry just keeps killing it with these. Materials are almost identical to the last two Curry shoes. Kind of just have some different materials in different places. That Intella knit that they've had right here as well. They have a much tighter knit on the medial side, which is a little bit different. They usually like to have like the Curry 9s. They had this all the way wrapped around. They did a little bit of changing here. This medial like part right here in the back, heel's different. Like, there's a little bit of combination of materials for an added layer of support on that side. And that's everything that Curry's trying to do. If you guys haven't noticed from all his shoes, he's trying to get the lightest, comfiest, most supportive, low-top basketball shoes that he can get. And they're really making peak progress here because I love how these feel. They fit somehow even better, even more uniform, and it just keeps, like, for me, they just keep feeling so good on the court. Fit is easy on these bad boys. It's a true to size fit. They fit phenomenal. I love how it feels. No restricting areas, no dead space anywhere, and it's just an easy one-to-one true to size fit. So a little bit different here with the support. You have a molded TPU heel counter here, and just like I said, he's just trying to make it as supportive as possible. And with his ankle braces, he likes it contained here, and then he loves this back part. It's super firm back here, but it doesn't restrict any movement at all, and I love that molded heel counter. They've just been improving it. The 9s, it was basically just like a part of the shoe. 10s, they really got a nice heel counter back there, and the 11s, they've integrated kind of this foam back setup into it as well. So I love it. I love how it plays. The support is just one of my favorites for a low top shoe, and I mean, Curry just keeps killing it. Come on. Traction and cushion, 9.5 out of 10. It's almost like a perfect setup for me. I could almost say 10, but I don't know what I'm waiting for. I think I'm waiting for if they can make this like durable somehow. I don't even know, but it's like perfect for me. I love it so much. Materials 9 out of 10. It's again super solid. I gotta play in it more though to see if I really like it more than the 10s and the 9s, but overall I love how it feels. It's breathable and lightweight. Fit 8.5 out of 10. Again, I want to see how it plays with the new material blocking setup, but it just feels super solid as well all over the foot. And then finally, the support is a 9 out of 10. I love this heel counter back here. And with all those ratings, it actually still, the Curry line is still the highest rated basketball shoe for me personally out there. Maybe next year when they bring back Kobe, they'll bring back all the Kobe 7, 8, 9s. Like once I get them Kobe 9s back in my hands with an updated, maybe like tech specs or something, then we can have a competitor. But for me right now, the Curry line, the 9s, the 10s, and the 11s just continue to be the best basketball shoes out there. For guards at least, I don't know, that's the position I play, so let me know what you guys think. If you guys caught the Curry 11s, not a bad retail price, amazing, phenomenal shoe. Please go get this if you got to try out a Curry shoe sometime in your life, but let me know what you think. See you guys on the next one.